वेलकम टू माय चैनल फार्मा टून्स। दोस्तों, मेरे इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड यस डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकॉन ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आपको सूचित किया जा सके। एंड यस डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर फ्रेंड्स। So our today's video is top 20 MCQ on stereochemistry with proper explanations. So let us start with the topic. So first question is the instrument used to determine optical activity. So here optical activity determination is that. So you know that it's a polarimeter. So polarimeter is used for the measure the optical activity of the chiral compounds. Next question is erythroenantiomers will have. Okay. Now, what do you mean by erythro? First, clear the thing. So, erythro means when two similar group are on same side, which is called erythro. When two similar group are on opposite side, which is called trio. So, what do you mean by erythro? So, similar group on same sides, similar group on opposite side. So, this is not a proper answer. Different group on two chiral carbon. Again, this is not a true answer. Two chiral center with plane of symmetry. Again, this is not a true answer. तो सही आंसर होगा इसका P. नेक्स्ट है हाउ मेनी स्टीरियो आइसोमर्स ऑफ 3 bromo 2 butanol exist. Okay, so before that we have to draw the structure of 3 bromo 2 butanol. तो जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, so this is a one chiral center, this is a second chiral center, and as per rules 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of chiral centers, so there are two chiral centers, so total possible isomer that would be 4. So answer होगा 4. Now resolution is, next question is resolution. तो resolution क्या होता है? So generally resolution is a technique to separate the enantiomers from the racemic mixtures. So सही आंसर होगा उसका separation of enantiomers. Next is dash isomers of thalidomide produce teratogenic effect. So thalidomide, it was a wonder drug at that time, and it is used to produce sedation in pregnant women, but it is available in racemic mixture form. Okay, so जो thalidomide drug थी वो previously it was available in racemic form. So it has a two isomers, one is a R isomer, another is a S isomer. So R isomer that is responsible for the sedative effect, S isomer that is responsible for teratogenic effect. तो उसका सही आंसर होगा S isomer that produce the teratogenic effect. Teratogenic effect, that means birth defect, kind of birth defect where limbless babies are produced. Next question is optical purity of compound is defined as, so उसका आंसर होगा observe optical rotation divided by the specific optical rotation that gives a optical purity. Observe optical rotation divided by specific optical rotations. Next is a which of the following is a definition of meso compound. So first let us discuss what is meso compound. So meso compound generally it has a plane of symmetry. So its upper half and lower half are identical, and due to internal compensation mechanism which is considered as a chiral molecule, though it has a two chiral centers. So chiral compound with more than one chirality centers, तो उसको chiral नहीं बोलते. So this is a not a true option. Molecule with chirality center which is chiral, again it is not chiral. A diastereomer with no chirality center, but generally in meso compound chirality center is present, so उसका सही आंसर होगा a molecule with chirality center which is not chiral. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डैश टाइप ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म फाउंड इन फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर. सो जैसा तो आप देख पा रहे हो, दिस इज अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वन ब्यूटेनॉल एंड इट्स ए टू मिथाइल वन प्रोपेनॉल. सो फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम है, तो ओनली देयर इज अ चेंज इन कार्बन चेन, सो इट इज कॉल्ड चेन आइसोमर. नेक्स्ट इज डैश टाइप ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म फाउंड इन फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर. तो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो, दिस इज अ कीटो फॉर्म एंड दिस इज a enol form. So why it is called enol form? Because of it is a alkene. So for alkene we are using "-ene", and for alcohol we are using "-ol". So that's why it is a enol form and it is the types of keto enol tautomerism. So उसका सही आंसर होगा tautomerism. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डैश टाइप ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म फाउंड इन फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर। तो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो कि यहाँ पे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे ईस्टर ग्रुप है। सो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड ईस्टर बोथ आर कंसिडर एज ए फंक्शनल काइंड ऑफ आइसोमर। सो उसका सही आंसर होगा फंक्शनल आइसोमर। Next is who has discovered the tartaric acid from the tartar. So Louis Pasteur was the first scientist who has discovered the tartaric acid from the tartar. Now, next question is which of the following group having a lowest priority according to CIP sequence rule? तो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये कार्बन है sp हाइब्रिडाइज है, ये sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज है और बाकी के sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज है। सो ऑल आर कार्बन। सो ये दोनों का प्रायोरिटी तो सबसे ज्यादा होगा। नाउ देयर इज अ कंपटीशन बिटवीन C एंड D। ओके, बट सी आप देख रहे हो या कार्बन के साथ ऑक्सीजन अटैच है एंड कार्बन अटैच है। यहाँ पे कार्बन के साथ 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 कार्बन अटैच है। तो सही आंसर होगा उसका डी। सो विच हैविंग द लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी अमॉन्ग ऑल दीज 4 functional group. Next question is diastereomer R. So diastereomer, it is not a mirror image. So P option नहीं होगा. Not superimposable and non-mirror image and superimposable. So ये नहीं होगा, तो उसका सही आंसर होगा Q and R. Not superimposable as well as non-mirror image, which are called diastereomer. नेक्स्ट इज दैट टाइप ऑफ आइसोमरिज्म इज फाउंड इन फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर। तो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो दिस इज अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वन ब्यूटीन वेयर देयर इज अ डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन 1 and 2 positions. This is a structure of 2 butene where there is a double bond between 2 and 3 positions. So it is called positional isomer. Only position of double bond that would be changed. So उसका सही आंसर होगा A, positional isomer. नेक्स्ट है चूज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप दैट कैन एक्ट एज ए फंक्शनल आइसोमर्स। तो जैसा ये अल्डिहाइड है, सो अल्डिहाइड एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, तो वो दोनों फंक्शनल आइसोमर नहीं हो सकते। सो अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन, सो दीज टू आर द probable answer. And aldehyde and acid, alcohol, again it is not a pair of functional isomer. So उसका सही आंसर होगा aldehyde and ketone. So P and R is a correct answer for this question. Next is stereoisomer resulting from the hindered rotation about the single bond where steric strain barrier to rotation is high enough to allow for the isolation of conformer is called. So it is called atrophy isomerism. So what is atrophy isomerism? So generally it is observed in biphenyl system, that you have to remember. So in biphenyl system with these both ortho position, if it is substituted with higher substitution compared to hydrogen and these both are not identical, in this case atrophy isomerism is produced and it is considered as a chiral compound, and this is totally based on chiral auxiliary approach. So उसका सही आंसर होगा एट्रोपी आइसोमरिज्म। नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अल्केन विच कैन एग्जिबिट द ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी। दैट मीन्स इनमें से कौन सा अल्केन ऐसा है कि जो ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी देगा। तो उसके लिए आपको उसका कायरालिटी चेक करना पड़ेगा, कायरल सेंटर चेक करना पड़ेगा। सो लेट अस सी द स्ट्रक्चर फर्स्ट। नियोपेंटेन, तो उसमें सारे ग्रुप आइडेंटिकल है, तो वो ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं देगा। यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो तो यहाँ पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है, तो ये कायरल सेंटर नहीं है। यहाँ पे 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप है, तो आइसोपेंटेन इज नॉट ए ऑप्शन। देन 3 मिथाइल हेक्सेन, तो यहाँ पे एक सेंटर है, यहाँ पे मिथाइल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे इथाइल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे प्रोपाइल ग्रुप है और एक हाइड्रोजन है। सो दिस कैन बी कंसिडर एज ए chiral compound that will give optical activity. And in last 3 methyl pentane, at the both the side there is a ethyl chain, here there is a methyl group, so it is also not gives optical activity. तो उसका सही आंसर होगा 3 methyl hexane. Next is for most of the chiral drug enantiomer is more active. Okay, so we can't say which enantiomer is more active. In some drug it is R, some drug it is S. For some drug it is we can't say it's a generalized statement. So answer is it can't be generalized. Okay. Next is if optical purity is 98%, तो बाकी का 2% क्या होगा? So it is your racemic form. Rest 2% is racemic form. Next question is which of the following statement is true? All compound with mirror image are enantiomers. Isomer that are not superimposable on mirror image are enantiomers. Superimposable structures are enantiomers. All molecule having a chirality center are chirals. ओके सो ये तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि एक्सेप्शनल है मेसो कंपाउंड रेसेमिक मिक्सर सुपर इम्पोजिबल स्ट्रक्चर आर एनांटियोमर सो नॉट सुपर इम्पोजिबल स्ट्रक्चर्स आर एनांटियोमर and all compound with mirror image are enantiomers so again that is not a true so सही आंसर होगा उसका isomer that are not superimposable on mirror image are enantiomer. Pyramidal inversion or Walden inversion observed in dash molecule, so you all know that it is observed with ammonia molecule. Lactam and lactine shows dash type of isomerism, so this is called lactam. Okay, it is nothing but cyclic amide which is called lactam, and this is called lactine. So it is a kind of tautomer, so which is called tautomerism. Stereoisomer of cyclic carbohydrate is called. So this is a alpha D glucose and this is a beta D glucose. So it's a cyclic form of the sugar which is called anomer. And when this hydroxy group is on downward side, it is called alpha anomer. Hydroxy group is on upward side, it is called beta anomer. Another way you can also remember by these way. Compared to CH2OH and OH, both are opposite to each other or opposite side, then it's a alpha form, and both are on same side, then it is called beta form. So it is called anomer. Assign the correct term describing the relationship to the following two isomers. तो उसको एनांटियोमर बोलेंगे. तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने मिरर डाल दिया तो मिरर इमेज नहीं है, तो एनांटियोमर नहीं बोलेंगे. मीजो कंपाउंड है, नहीं है, मीजो कंपाउंड नहीं है, रैसेमिक मिक्सचर नहीं है, तो उसका सही आंसर होगा डायस्टीरियोमर कंपाउंड विच इज नॉट ए मिरर इमेज ऑफ ईच अदर. So friends, this is all explanation about top 20 MCQ which are generally asked in many competitive examinations. So if you like our video, if you like our explanation, please share with your friends and do subscribe our channel, and yes, don't forget to click on bell icon ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आपको सूचित किया जा सके. Thank you.